Let's talk money. What can you expect and why rural areas can be a strategic advantage? For HVAC technicians nationally, the median annual wage was around $59,810 in May 2024. Entry-level HVAC tech with 0 to 2 years averages around $54,100 annually. Plumbers, average salary around $63,215 per year nationally, with ranges from about $40,670 to $105,150, depending on experience, certifications, and region. Construction and trades in rural areas may show slightly lower hourly base, $25 to $30 per hour, but fewer competitors and high demand mean faster growth and premium contracts. Example, in a rural area, an HVAC tech who adds AI and IoT specialization may charge higher rate for preventive maintenance plus remote monitoring, pushing income towards $70,000 to $90,000 or more within a few years. Here's why rural is a strength.